people. So for my second trip of the year, I am here in beautiful, warm, kind of sunny, Miami, Florida. And I'm here to visit a friend that moved down here like a few months ago. And the moment I found out that she was moving to Miami, I basically invited myself over. Like, if somebody lives somewhere else, you know, you have to visit them. Anyway, so I have like zero plans for this trip other than hang out with my friend. Another friend is coming tonight. Actually, it's two women that I went to New Orleans with last year, or New Orleans. I hope I said it correctly the second time. So we're just gonna have a blast regardless because, you know, we get along, we like each other, we're good friends. And I hope that we do something interesting enough for me to share with you. Second day in Miami, and it's really hard for me to think that I'm going to have to go back to the cold weather of New York. It is a beautiful day even though it is, you know, cloudy, but the sun is coming out in peaks, as you can see it on my skin. Oh God, I'm just having such a great time here. I really enjoyed last night going to the Wynwood area. I think we were at a place called 1-800-LUCKY, and the music there was great. I had a really good time. I stayed up so much past my bedtime waiting for our friend to get in. We got in at like 3 a.m. No, 3:30. Maybe 3:30? Yeah. And I was just like drooling on myself, sleeping on the couch, waiting for her to come in. We are heading to brunch right now. I have absolutely no idea where we're going to brunch, but I am looking forward to eating because I am feeling hungry.
Hours later.
I hope you can hear me over the wind. What's happening right now is we're going to the beach at night. There's no light on the beach, so why are they messing with me? Why are they messing with me? There's no light on the beach. So I don't know how long I'm going to last. I'm coming! I'm coming! I'm coming!
Your ass get killed. Look at that. I was like, oh!
What was that?
The fucking pipe guy.
It's my Coach plate.
Oh!
have no chill. No chill whatsoever. This place serves the best pastries I've had in a while. Oh, they already know it's Buenos Aires. Y'all already know what this place is because I have it all over the screen right now. Because if y'all come to Miami, just come to this spot. It's no joke. It's no joke.
72nd and Collins.
I ain't giving you all the directions. Y'all can look that up on your own. It's our last day here in beautiful Miami, and I was just about to walk through a glass door because I didn't realize it was closed. Okay, so that basically tells you how I'm feeling today. I'm just a little bit out of it, you know. Things happened last night, and I'm still recovering. If you can't tell from me almost walking into a door. So today is just going to be really chill, you know. My friends just went to the grocery store, got some stuff for the grill. So we're just going to be grilling, eating, and my friend's flight is like at 8 o'clock tonight, so she may have like a couple more hours of just hanging out. Then I'm going to have to come back upstairs and pack my bag and everything. But hopefully you'll see me downstairs in the whole barbecue area.
I want mine medium.
So our last thing, I can't even speak, sorry. So our last big thing for the trip is Target, you know, Target. Can never go wrong coming to a Target, you know, in any city that you're at. I'm doing my damnedest not to buy anything, but you know, once you come into a Target, there's like a minimum that you always spend. Don't matter how many items, it's still the same. It could be two things for $100. Or 15 things for $100, because you always tend to spend the same amount. Anyway, yeah, so we just out here in Target, planning to get takeout for dinner, and that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this time spent in Miami. I'll be going to Savannah next month, so that's going to be the next time y'all see me. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed this trip. Be sure to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram because I'll be posting about all my travels there on Insta stories. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.